Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You sign in with the same Apple ID you use on your iPhone so conversations sync. Once signed in, open Messages and enable Messages in iCloud to keep everything up to date. You should confirm your phone number and email are checked under Messages settings. This lets texts route to your Mac. If you haven't already, enable notifications so you know when new messages arrive and proceed to the next step to link iPhone features. Now you enable text message forwarding on your iPhone so your Mac can send and receive SMS. Open the iPhone settings Messages text message forwarding and toggle your Mac on. Make sure Send and Receive lists the same phone number and Apple ID. That ensures iMessage conversations appear on both devices. Once these are set, watch the Messages app on Mac for a verification code. Enter it on iPhone if prompted. To finish, confirm everything syncs by sending a test message from your Mac to a known contact. If messages don't send or appear, sign out of Apple ID in Messages and sign back in to refresh credentials. That often resolves auth glitches. Make sure date, time, and internet connection are correct because mismatches block sync. If problems persist, restart the Messages app or reboot the Mac, and only then check text message forwarding and iCloud settings again to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.